It's bright and early at the Godsong Farms. I'm really tired and I'm cold and I probably sound nasty. I am not feeling good. I've been up since about 2 this morning. Dad hasn't been feeling good either, but I'm gonna go take care of the chickens this morning, and hope you guys have a good day today. It's cold outside, so I put on a jacket, and I'm wearing my Mickey Mouse pajamas with a shirt that I got paint on yesterday. Kind of sad about it because I like this shirt a lot, but it's really cold out here, and it doesn't help that I'm not feeling good either, because like my everything hurts right now and I probably look like crap. Okay, well, I'm down at the chicken coop now, so I'll show you me feeding them. Yay. I rewatched the video of me doing this, and I'm not that good at not moving the camera so fast. So I'm gonna try. Good morning. I'm gonna try to move it the right amount this morning so you guys can see and not feel like you have to throw it. So I told Billy that waters need to be done yesterday, and I have no clue if he's done them or not. But we're about to find out when I go over to the other chicken coop. I'm trying to make this look right. It's not looking right though. So that's all that I do in the morning. So I just give them a bucket of not screech. Well, I was trying to say feed and scratch at the same time. It didn't come out right. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna give them scratch now. What I actually meant to say. I have school tomorrow. I'm so excited. Or today. It depends on, well, I mean, it'll be today if Dad uploads the video tomorrow. But right now, for me, it's tomorrow. So, yeah. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Hello, bud. I'm so happy that we actually got one that lived. We had 2 chicks like that. One of them died when it was really little, but now we got an alive one, and that alive one is gigantic and pretty. There you go. They must be hungry. I'm gonna go get some feed. Oh wait, see, Mickey Mouse pants. They look fly today, like me. But I look fly every day, so yeah. And I just realized I have basketball tomorrow too. That is, if I'm feeling up to it. Because right now I feel like I need to throw up. And I think it's just because of allergies and stuff. Because I can't breathe. And I'm not paying attention to the camera, so this is probably really bad. I'm really sorry. Wait, I wonder, if I zoom out, when I turn, will it look better? Or zoom in? Not in. Definitely not in. So we're going to zoom all the way out, and hopefully that fixes the problemo. But now it looks like my arms are really light. Now you're looking at it like how I look at it. No, you're not. No, it doesn't look the same. Does it? No. Okay, I'm sorry. I wish I could just like strap this to my like forehead, you know? Because you can see my shadow. And like, it's just a phone. So I wish I could just strap it to my forehead and just walk around. And then you know what I'm like doing and looking at. But no, I don't have a strap thingy for it. Kind of wish that we just had a camera, you know? That way, well, I don't know why I said you know. I'm not even talking. I'm just literally talking to myself right now. I just realized that. That's weird. Okay. Well, I mean, some people watch the videos. I don't know if you just saw that or not, but that was hilarious. That was a ha-ha funny. Look how beautiful that rooster is. He's just beautiful. Hopefully he's not mean. Are you mean? Not that I know of. Not yet. He hasn't attacked me yet. All the other roosters have, though. But it's not unlikely. Yeah, they needed some feed. And no, he never gave them water. Billy. This dude. I'm gonna be nice. And I'm gonna carry it out to the thing for him. Oh, okay. You just hit the door, chicken. Calm down. Okay. Oh, hey, Ginger. Forgot. We haven't fed you yet. Well, the water is now outside the chicken coop. And there's the kitty. Oh, I've taken the water up to the place where we get water. And Ginger says hi. But, we're gonna feed Ginger now. Probably should have fed him before I fed the chickens, but I didn't do that, so. Oh boy. We got a lot of stuff in our truck because we were cleaning yesterday. And, I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there. That's a trash can. There's a lot of stuff in there. Mainly it's stuff from Christian summer because they were cleaning out their room. Okay, Ginger, I'll be right back. I gotta get your cat food. Oh, my eyes look pretty in the light. Well, if only that was like it all the time. Ew, my face. I'm gonna hold the camera up here. That way I get a better angle. Oh, you can see my freckles this morning. That's cool. Okay. Excuse me, Ginger. Thank you. Wait. Oh, we ain't gonna show that. No. Hello. Oh, that's the dryer. Bam. No, the light was already on. Now we can show this one. That one's adorable. I don't know if you can see it. That one's adorable. I need my buggy. Oh. And then this one is better too. Boom. I don't know if you can see. Okay, there you go. And then there's Dad. Oh, there's Dad. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to go feed Ginger. Stop getting sidetracked. Boom. Light. Camera. Action. Boo, boo, boo. Okay. Set the camera down. Set it down. Please don't fall because that'd be a bad thing. Hello, Ginger. How are you today? Are you doing alright? Alright, so mate. Ginger seems like he's having fun. So when you do this, you take the bowl You take the canned cat food, you go boom. Then you gotta wiggle, 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 wiggle. Tap it on the side a little bit. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. It's still stuck. And then take the bowl, put it down, and there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. Now, I have fed the kitty dry and canned cat food, so it's time for, I don't know what it's time for, but I'm gonna do something because I want to be productive. Even if it's not really productive, it's just like me shooting hoops. Baller. I look like a, what do I look like? What do I look like? I don't know what it's called. Didn't have it. I'm in the hood. Okay. Wait. There's something wrong with me. No, everything is wrong with me. That's what's wrong with me, is everything is wrong with me. Boom. Wait, hold up. Hold the horses, man. Hold your horses. I look beautiful. Beautiful. Dad's probably gonna make that the thumbnail though. I'm scared. Ew. Ew. Look how much longer my hair has gotten. Oh, okay. I'm gonna tell Dad to put a before and after picture of when I first got it cut. And then, like, in 6th grade. And then, like, the 7th grade. And then, now. And you'll see how much beautifuler I've gotten. I kind of like, I kind of like this length, not gonna lie, but I just wish it would stop curling outwards sometimes, because, like, if I do, like, oh, wait, is it doing it? I think it is, but you can't see. Oh, there it is, where it curls outwards. I wish it would just stay one curl, like, inwards. I want it to do that, but I'm growing it out. I'm gonna have a long hair. And I hope it comes down to, like, right here-ish, maybe. I don't know. And I want to learn how to braid my hair better because, like, I can't braid it that good right now. But I'm trying. So, yeah. Yeah, what was I going to do? I'm a bird. Oh, wow. I don't know whose hoodie this is, jacket this is. You know, it's not a hoodie if it, oh wait, no. It's a hoodie if it has a zipper or, wait, no. It's not a hoodie if it has a zipper or buttons. But if it comes past your kneecaps, it is therefore a dress with a hood. Fight me. Because Brandy and I had a conversation where I was wearing a dress with no sleeves, but it had a hood, and she said it was a hoodie. That's not what that is. It was scary. I think she was going through something at that time where she just wanted to what are the words I'm looking for? Oh yeah, I don't know. But and she also, is it weird that I eat nachos, like a nacho salad, with a fork? Because I ate it with a fork. I ate the chip with a fork. And she said it was weird. And I was not normal. And then she said that I was weird when we were, because I was holding her pinky when we were at the Cumberland, not Cumberland, we were somewhere, I forgot where we went. We went to a volleyball game anyways, and I was holding her pinky, swinging it back and forth, you know. And she goes, "You're weird." And I was like, "How?" And she goes, "You just are. If you asked any person, they'd probably tell you were weird." And I went up to a random person, and I asked him, I was like, "Do you think I'm weird?" He goes, "I don't know you." And so I walked away. It wasn't a yes. So that's a plus. But I'm cold. And I should probably go back inside. So I'm gonna do that. But don't forget to hit that notification bell, like it, share with your friends, subscribe, because we need new followers, please. And don't forget to stay weird, hobos. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, share, and turn on post notifications. Stay weird. Bye.